Worry.
Yeah. Oh, you can walk, can't you? Yeah, you can.
You see Tristan on the screen?
Yeah.
Tristan, what's this?
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Tristan.
Come here.
Do you think the DVDs have a digital copy?
Yeah, Tristan.
It comes, well, the Blu-rays.
Come here.
There's a Blu-ray and then a digital copy.
No, he wants his truck. That's mine.
Look at that.
That's what
By definition.
I have to put that right there.
Alright.
It's
Look at he stood right up.
Did he stand up by himself?
Yeah.
Oh my
Stood up,
gosh.
then he started going like that, but he got right up. Yeah.
iPod.
Yeah, he's gonna walk in no time now.
So those are high definition.
Ooh, we need to put your
Well,
nose.
that's fine, but your DVD player is kind of...
Yeah.
I remember Alyssa when you were this big and you were just learning how to walk.
I think he needs
All about file types. Yeah, because,
All these things that makes noise.
well, the PS2 was because they have a PS2
this.
Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, Tristan. Here you go. Come
Come
on.
here, babe.
Oh. You can do it, can't you? If you had shoes on, you'd probably be better yet.
I don't know. They recommend soft bottom shoes
They do.
until they're like 2. I guess it helps them since their foot can kind of conform to the ground. It's a little bit easier for them to distribute their weight.
Come on. No, you're teasing me,
You can tell he's enjoying his new feet.
Adventure.
It's climbing already.